Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you the most amazing butter-based chocolate cake recipe with you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all. Here are the overview of all the ingredients that I'll be using. Firstly, I have my margarine, and you can use butter as well, which is perfectly fine. I have my cocoa powder. I've sieved my cocoa powder already. This is my egg. I have my flour. I've sieved that too already. I have my flavor. I have chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor. I have my baking powder and baking soda. I have my salt. I have my sugar and milk. So I'll start by combining all my dry ingredients. So I had my salt. So right now I'm going to sieve in my baking powder and my baking soda. Please note that the full list of all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Please check. So after adding my baking soda, I'm just going to mix everything together, then I'll set it aside. The first thing I'll start with is by creaming my butter first. So as you can see that the color of the butter has changed to this, then I'm going to add my sugar. Then I'll start creaming this together. After creaming to this stage where my butter and sugar is fluffy, then I'll start adding my egg bit by bit. So after adding one egg, I'll cream that in until I finish adding the rest of the egg. Once I finish adding my egg, I'm going to add my flavor. Then I'll also mix that in. So this is my butter, sugar and egg with flavor. Then I'll set that aside. The next thing, I'm going to prepare my wet ingredient. So I add my cocoa powder into my mixing cup. Then I'll be adding my hot water. So that is what I'm adding now. Then I'm going to mix this together until the cocoa powder is dissolved completely. And you can see what I have. After the cocoa powder have dissolved completely, I'm going to add my milk. Then I'll mix everything together. So my cocoa powder mixture is ready, and that is what I have. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to start alternating my flour and the cocoa powder mixture, that is my wet ingredients, together. So once I add my flour, I'll add the cocoa mixture until I'm through adding everything. And at this point, when mixing it, don't over mix your batter, and you do this on a very low speed. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel, and once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. And this is my cake batter. It is ready. So I'm going to transfer this into my prepared pan. Then I'm going to bake this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and drop some comments in the comment section. So after baking for about 40 minutes, this is what I have. And I also make some lovely cupcake with the same batter, so you can use it for cupcake too as well. For the cake, I'm going to leave the cake in the baking pan to cool down completely. So that is why I wrap foil paper all over it, so that it will not dry out until when I'm ready to use it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to give it a try and share your experience with me. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.